When the ASM SIPLACE placement machine is in deep maintenance, which parts will be maintained? Why does ASM SIPLACE placement machine need deep maintenance? This video is a bit long and is a summary of our experience over the years. I hope you can like and collect it. The in-depth maintenance of ASM PT placement machine mainly has 6 parts. The first part, air supply circuit. Mainly check whether the vacuum pump and pipelines are aging, cracked, damaged, etc., and eliminate core hidden dangers such as insufficient air pressure and air leakage. The second part, power supply circuit. It mainly performs performance testing on CSB, cap and other equipment, and performs dust removal and cleaning to prevent short circuits and power supply abnormalities. The third part, cutter system. It mainly overhauls the cylinder to make the cutting surface smoother and reduce the occurrence of material jamming. The fourth part, transmission track. The main purpose of transmission track maintenance is to check whether the transmission track belt is cracked or worn, and whether the track is kept clean, so as to avoid transmission track failures that may affect the stability, safety, and production efficiency of the equipment. The fifth part, cantilever system. The maintenance of the cantilever system mainly involves the maintenance of the X, Y-axis, and patch head. The maintenance of the X and Y-axis mainly involves cleaning, maintenance, and performance testing of the slider and grating ruler to increase the service life of the equipment. As a key part of the ASM PT placement machine, the key and difficulty of the placement head lies in its disassembly. After the maintenance and installation is completed, the placement head accuracy test must be carried out to avoid accuracy issues affecting the normal placement of the placement machine. The 6-part cooling fan. The maintenance of the cooling fan of the ASM placement machine is easy to be ignored. It is necessary to regularly perform maintenance such as dust removal and cleaning on the cooling fan to avoid affecting the normal use of the equipment due to the failure of the cooling fan. There are 7 main steps in the maintenance process of the ASM placement machine. 1. Preparation. 2. Disassembly. 3. Inspection. 4. Cleaning and oiling. 5. Maintenance. 6. Installation. 7. Calibration, testing. ASM placement machine maintenance can increase the life of equipment and accessories, reduce failure rates and risks of shutdowns, reduce maintenance time and money costs, and help factories reduce costs, increase speed, and increase efficiency. Because the ASM PT placement machine is a precision and expensive equipment, its disassembly and maintenance require professionals. Therefore, it is recommended that factories using this placement machine find a professional team for in-depth maintenance. Schindling, born for placement machines, is a one-stop solution leader for placement machines. It has been deeply involved in the placement machine industry for more than 10 years and has a professional technical team. It can not only repair and maintain ASM placement machines, but also provide a full range of solutions for ASM placement machines to empower and increase the efficiency of factories.